This right here is a vintage Bluetooth radio where it gets FM and weather broadcast, perfect for emergencies. It is battery powered and it looks really nice on your desk and on your shelf. It's that vintage look. On the back you have an antenna to get better reception. I do like that you can angle it however you need to face towards the antennas. And yeah, you have USB-C for power. It does come with the cable and the power brick. You also have auxiliary in, so you could plug in other devices with an auxiliary, and it has a micro SD card slot, so you can put songs on that and just play it straight through there. It even has a little bit of a subwoofer back to it, so you have nice bass tones. And on the front, you have your vintage knobs. One is volume and EQ, so we can turn the volume up, and then you can press it to change different EQ modes. You have your power button and mode button, which we'll get to in a second. You also have your pairing button, and you have your weather alert button. You also have a nice screen on here that displays it very easily, and you have up and down buttons to go through the screen, and you have your scan button over here and settings button. And then you have the other knob over here where you can select different things on the menu as well, and then you can press to enter, or you can use that to play and pause your music. So when we turn this thing on, it says hello. You get your FM, I'll turn that down a little bit, and you can use this to scan to different radio stations as well. And if you hit that mode button, you can see you have your weather broadcast, you have FM, you have Bluetooth, you have your micro SD, line in, and clock. You can just have it set on clock if you want to leave it that way. When you hold down the settings button, you get into your settings, and you get the weather alert setting, and then also your system settings where you can go in and change your time, even add alarms. You can have it up to 2 alarms on here. It's just very simple to use, but looks really good, and probably one of the only vintage speakers I've seen that has so many features to it and a nice screen like this. But yeah, it looks great, high quality, highly recommended, and thanks for watching.